It's 6:30 in the morning. It's day 24 through 7 at least, somewhere around there. I've lost track of time. Yeah, we're headed to Key West. I'm about to get on a bus there. Maybe I can sleep on the bus. We're checking out of room 307.
That's it.
It's so foggy. There's our ride. Thank you. That driver was crazy. Dude, I didn't know the buses came with your own orange holder. How long is this bus ride? Like 5 hours. No way. Wait, if it's 4-hour bus drive. Whoa. Uber. Snug as a bug in a rug. Guys, I keep reaching for my phone in my pocket and I'm like, oh my gosh, it's not there. And I'm like, oh yeah, I already lost it, it's fine. It's like a weird feeling.
It's fine, I already lost it.
It's fine, I already lost it.
Don't worry about losing it again.
Yeah. We're staying at a hostel with like 8 other people in our room and it's gonna be very interesting and I'm kind of nervous.
You'll see door number 17. Just look for bed number 9.
Awesome. Thank you so much. Home sweet home. Hey guys, we got to our hostel. We're going to get some food right now. The hostel's actually like, it'll be interesting. I don't know yet, but I did get lucky. I feel like I got the best bed in the entire room. Would you agree?
Yeah, probably.
I'm like away from the door. I'm like off in a separate room kind of, top bunk, farthest corner. So like if people come in and out all the time, I'm not gonna be hearing them, but PJ probably will because he's right next to the door. First coconut achieved.
Very good.
Oh, there's water coming out.
It's probably bad.
Can you hear that?
Really? Somebody could have used that.
Yeah, me. Walk into Dairy Queen. Walk into Dairy Queen. Well, it looks like no air conditioning for us. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Is that a rooster or a chicken? Come here. Come here. Come here. Come on. Come to Poppy. Every once in a while, you'll just get a little smell of like disgusting, and then it'll go away.
Shoot.
Smell is shoot. We got some food, and now we're headed to the beach to eat it and chill. So, yeah. All right, so we're at Higgs Beach right now. I think tomorrow we're gonna go to another beach that's nicer, but I'm gonna go touch the water. Looks kind of iffy. I just got my foot soaked. It's super warm. Look. I'm gonna walk up to it. Hey buddy. How you doing? Iguana? Is that what that is?
Yeah.
Iguana. Nice job, Florida.
He's cooling off.
Alright, bye buddy.
It's too hot for him.
It's too hot for anything here. Alright, we'll leave you alone now. Have a good day. We're trying to find our way back to our hostel. PJ's phone died, so we're just kind of like trying to remember. It's so hot out here. Cut to us hopefully in air conditioning, not sweating anymore. Please, hopefully. Guys, we decided we were gonna take a little nap. I woke up and I looked at my computer time and I was like, oh, it's only 6:40. And then I opened the door and head outside and it's like completely dark. And I was like, wait, that's not right. And so then I go inside and I asked PJ to check in, it's 8:40. And I'm like, what? How did it get dark so quick? My skin looks so reflective because I'm so sweaty, look. Oh my gosh, my face is so reflective, it looks so gross. We're going to Margaritaville for dinner, so yeah, it's gonna be good.
What is
That's
that?
Elvis Presley as a cigar.
What the fuck?
I don't know who that is.
If you know who that is, comment it down below.
Comment down below who that guy was. I'm hungry, dude. Can we
Grab my glass and break it over your head.
Why would you say that?
I want to start a bar fight. A full-on brawl.
Bar fight from the movies. We're eating good tonight, brother.
Margaritas all day. Well, it's
all night. I wish I had my phone. This looks so good.
why do they go like that?
Yum, yum, yum.
Good though.
Those sweet potato waffle fries? What? I didn't know those existed. Let's go. Alright guys, we're walking back to our room. That's pretty much the end of the video. I don't know how entertaining it was. I can't really remember.
We saw an iguana.
We saw an iguana, so that's pretty entertaining. If you want to like the video, you can. If you want to subscribe, you can. I recommend it. But like, do whatever you want to do, you know? You know, right?
I'm not subscribed.
Really, dude? All right, bye guys. Oh, catch you later, man.